Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. After you power on your new device, this is the first screen that shows up. So first, we can choose the language in here. I'm gonna select English United Kingdom. You can also check for readability settings if you need to enable, for example, bigger display size in text, magnification, select to speak or talk back. You can also do an emergency call before your phone is set up. Now I'm gonna click on Let's Go to continue. Here we need to connect to the Wi-Fi network, so I'm gonna choose this one. And now let's click on Next. Then here you have the end user license agreement, so you can click on More to read more about it, then click on Next. Then here are some privacy settings, so I'm gonna select both of them, then click on Confirm. Then I'm gonna agree to the experience improvement plan. Now it asks you if you want to copy apps and data from your old phone. If you do, then click on Next. If you don't, then click on Don't Copy. And now it asks you to sign into the Google account. You can skip that, but you most probably would like to have the Google account because, for example, you'll be able to download apps, etc. So I'm gonna log in quickly. And now I'm gonna enter the password off camera. Now we can click on Next. And then select whether you or your child will be using this device. So if you are setting it up for your child, then the next steps may differ. So you just need to follow the instructions on the screen. But if you choose that you will be using this device, then it should be pretty similar to my experience. So let's click on Next now. And then you need to agree to the Google Terms of Service. Then here you can review the Google services. You can allow or disallow location, scanning, sending usage and diagnostic data. I'm gonna select all of those and just click on Accept. Then it asks you if you want to backup your device. So if you do, leave these checkboxes checked. If you don't, then uncheck either of those or just click on Don't Backup, which I'm gonna do right now. Then click on Next, and I think it's only in the European Union, this option to select your default browser here. So I'm gonna select the Google Chrome and click on Set as Default, then the search engine as well. So I'm gonna set it to Google. Then it asks you if you want to enable a nearby share, so I'm gonna click on No Thanks. Then if you want to set up Hey Google, I'm gonna skip that for now. And then if you want to access Assistant without unlocking your device. And here it tells you that you can protect your phone with face recognition. or fingerprint and pin pattern or password. So I'm gonna just set up a pattern. So let's click here, then let's select either pattern, pin or password. I'm gonna draw it once, then click on continue and draw it again to confirm. Then let's click on confirm. Now if you want to show the notification content on lock screen, I'm gonna hide sensitive notification content, then click on next, then next. And now whether you want to have the stock Android or ASUS optimized experience, I'm gonna choose the ASUS optimized. You can also click on more to learn more about it. Next. Now it asks me if I want to sign in to my ASUS account. So I'm gonna click on next and skip that, but you can, of course, if you want. Then you can choose the system style, confirm, then the navigation, either gestures or buttons, next. And now it's set up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.